Hi, I'm Sue Jones, and my full-time job at Parkland is to help you learn what you need to know to pass your math or reading and graduate. My background is in gifted education and learning disabilities. I've spent about 20 years at Parkland helping students in these specific classes. I'm very familiar with your assignments, ALEKS, your notes, but my real specialty is listening to you and helping figure out how to use your strengths to master the math and maybe even get comfortable with it. Maybe it's been a while since you've taken a math class. Maybe you freeze up when it's time to take a quiz or a test. Maybe you overthink things. I'm here Monday through Thursday. I take lunch at noon. Whether you have one or two questions to get cleared up or you're feeling overwhelmed, maybe you think it's time to withdraw from the course, I am here to help you get over or through whatever is in the way. SUJONES at parkland.edu is how to get to me. I can send you the link to this Zoom room. I can act like we're in a class and explain things on the whiteboard, or you can click so we're both looking right at your computer and the problem you're trying to do. We can use the computer to write on, and I'm sure there are other things I haven't even figured out yet. I have appointment and walk-in hours. Find me through Cobra. Look for Need a Tutor over in the corner and look for my name, Sue Jones. You can do this. Let me help you keep moving towards your goals. Hope to see you soon.